Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you real proof that how do I practice of speaking in English language. Usually I have been asked one question that how to do English speaking practice if I am alone. So in today's video I'm going to show you real and practical way of doing practice alone and how do I do. I'm going to show you my strategy, what do I do for speaking in English language, and what is my strategy. So if you want to know my strategy, so you will need to watch this video completely. So I will suggest you that please watch this video for yourself because you want to improve your English. And yeah, I can say that only by following this rule I have been trying to speak in English language. I have been speaking in English language. I have been teaching English language in a school, so I can give you guarantee that if you follow these tips that I do, I'm alone, and this is my alone practice way. So I'm sure if you follow these rules, so definitely you will be able to speak in English language alone. If you don't have anyone, do not worry about that, right? So without any further ado, let's get here. I was not thinking that my English pronunciation is a very bad, is very weak. So I need to work on that. When I just kept uploading videos, so suddenly from my subscriber, from my viewers, I got to know these things that you speak English very well, but one suggestion is for you that improve your English pronunciation. Yeah, this is the thing of right now that I'm doing. You can have a look here. I'm just writing phonic sound, right? And if I talk about the English speaking practice, so usually I want to show you some here that I have. I hope that you are able to see this. I know that you are not able to read these English words because it is opposite side. So just recognize these, sir. I know that you can recognize these. So I know that you can recognize this one. So these are the books. I have four books related to spoken English. So usually in my free time I was reading that books, and after that, after getting knowledge about grammar, about speaking, I started speaking in English language. And right now I'm writing about phonic sound for speaking my English pronunciation. So before I was not thinking about my English pronunciation, but it is very important to improve my English pronunciation this time, because I know I'm really weak in this pronunciation. So this is the way, you know what, when we think that we do not have anyone, or when we just think that how to do English speaking practice, but only your passion can make you to work hard. If you want to speak in English language, but on the spot you are thinking that you do not have partner, you do not have anyone, or you do not have any English environment. So in India, there is no English environment. Tell me any place where is English environment. I would love to go there. In India, there is nothing, and there is no an English environment. Okay, it is a very rare case in India. So we all do not have an English environment, but we have to speak, and only our work, only our passion can make us speak in English language. It is our inside desire. If someone wants to speak in English language, so they just want to speak in English language because of their aim, because of their goal, because of their passion. So their passion, their goal, their aim will make them speak in English language, right? When I started, so that time I was not having anyone really. If I When I think about my hard work, so I really love to give thank to myself, because I really worked hard for speaking in English language. Uh, act- otherwise otherwise it was not my piece of cake. I was unable to speak in English language. I was unable to speak in English language because I'm from village area. And if I show you my 12th mark sheet, so in that mark sheet you will see my English number, that is 49 out of 100. That is only passing marks that I got in class 12th. And in class 12th or in first year, I was not thinking that I will learn this language. And I'm from Hindi medium background. So मैंने ये कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैंने ये कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इंग्लिश सीखूंगी या फिर इंग्लिश में बात करूंगी, लोगों को इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगी. आई हैव नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट. आई कैन से दैट इट इज़ गॉड विश. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई लर्न इट इंग्लिश. और मैं इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ, सिखा रही हूँ. तो पहले मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इंग्लिश बोलूँगी, सीखूँगी. ये तो मैंने अभी 2 साल पहले डिसाइड किया. 2 साल पहले मुझे लगा कि नहीं, अब इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए. Earlier, I was not thinking that I should learn English language. So, whatever is happening in your life, just to enjoy that moment. And if you have decided that you will speak English language, you want to speak in English language, so don't wait for the day, don't wait for the right time, start speaking. Because when you start speaking, you will feel that you are doing something different in your life. जब मैं इंग्लिश सीखना शुरू की तो मुझे लगता था कि मैं कुछ अलग ही कर रही हूँ, और अंदर से ही खुशी महसूस होती थी कि बहुत ही मतलब लोगों से हटके तो कुछ कर रही हूँ. बीइंग अ विलेजर, गाँव में रहकर लड़कियों का सपने देख पाना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बहुत अच्छे से समझ पाती हूँ मैं कि अगर गांव के माहौल में रहकर कोई लड़की कोई कुछ बड़ा करने का सपना देख रही, दैट इज़ वेरी बिग थिंग्स फॉर देम. वही बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. तो जब मैं इंग्लिश सीखना स्टार्ट की, खुद से बातें करती थी, सेल्फ टॉकिंग पे बिलीव करती हूँ मैं. आई बिलीव इन सेल्फ टॉकिंग. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश और इफ़ यू वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, सो आई विल suggest you so I will suggest you that start talking to yourself. Because when you talk to yourself, you know yourself very well. If you talk to other person, you do not know your weakness, you do not know yourself. Or if you just want to speak in English language, or on the spot you start talking to other person, so that time you will feel hesitation, and because of your hesitation you will feel negative, you will feel demotivate because of not speaking in English language in impacting way, or grabbing way, or not impressive way. So start impressing yourself first. After that you will get or result, right? So this was the thing. So I hope that you got to learn that how to do English speaking practice if you are alone. And it was my strategy. I believe in self talking a lot. I was speaking a lot because I did not have anyone, I do not have, and I know I will not have anyone. So this was the thing that I wanted to share. And actually I was not thinking about making video. मैं लिखते लिखते एक वीडियो चला रही थी, वो भी इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड ही थी. तो मुझे लगा क्यों ना मैं अपनी जर्नी शेयर करूँ. अपनी जर्नी मतलब कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो मैं किया करती थी, तो उसको शेयर करूँ. सो दैट थॉट कम इनटू माय माइंड, सो दैट thought suddenly came into my mind, and I started making this video. So I hope that you like this video. If you like, so please subscribe to my channel, and just keep learning English language. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.